Kanju ya makanitha NCCK ireendekithia mogaruruku ma watho gucokio giturwa gitikiriku ki watho kia mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro. Ireendekithia-ini riao ningi atongoria ya makanitha makiendekithia mutongoria ucio wa mung'ethaniro kugairwo kigina getha kumwotithia ukinyaniria mawira make bunge-ini na nja ya bunge. Atongoria ningi makiendekithia ona kaunti gukorwo na atongoria a mung'ethaniro giturwa kiria kiroyagwo ni uria wahotwo hindi ya githurano.
Expand the executive of government by creating new positions to enable greater inclusivity and create wider ownership of government by Kenyan communities. 2. Make provision for a dignified national opposition with facilitation and funding to be able to play its role of checking government in parliament and outside and promoting national integration and development.
Meendekithia maya atongoria ya makiendekithia makinyanirio thutha wa githurano kia mweri uyu. Ni atongoria aria ningi mareendekithia iturwa thirikari ni kwa ndanduro getha gukuruhania a Kenya makiria.
The amendment should be implemented once it is passed and assented to. We appeal to Kenyans to look beyond the current housekeeping contests.
Giturwa kia mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro giatianirio ni katiba ya riu ikiruta mweke wa mutongoria wa anini giikaro-ini kia bunge na uria wamuragwo ni kiama kiria kiri na unini wa bunge-ini cieri.
Mheshimiwa Fatuma.
Ciikaro cia muingi kuruta maoni ma iguru ria mogaruruku ma watho wa githurano Nacio iratanywo gutiriho wa kana. Hindi ya ciikaro ici wa gatatu hamwe na meendekithia maria makinywo mbere ya kamiti no thuranire iri iraramata mogaruruku macio ma watho hari gucenjio kwa fomu iria ciri na maumirira ma githurano.
The instruments that are going to give us information must be changed. And therefore, I have come up with a design of Form 34A, which should be used in case this one can be used even without the amendment of the law.
Sioni kama ni wakati mwafaka wa kuleta sheria wakati huu.
Ireendekithia ringi rirutite mirugamo ngurani ari iguru ria ukinyaniru wa muikarĩrĩgĩtĩ wa IEBC na mahinya kuri munini wake kugikinyana muikarĩrĩgĩtĩ wa kamiti yo ndariho.
We are just being realistic. It is only in 3 circumstances, Honorable Chair, that I know. A wedding, a burial, and perhaps circumcision, when you cannot replace the primary character.
Muta sikutingishe. Kuna katiba ile inaandika watu, kuna katiba ile inafuta watu. Not me coming here to say that go away. Mimi niko kwa kanisa, nalinda kanisa wa mama kama 2000. Siwezi nikatoka hapa niende nyumbani mtu aniambie toka kwa hiyo kiti until miaka yangu 5 ikushe.
IEBC kiama kia mawakiri LSK nio matanyitwo kuinekiriria kuruta mawoni mao mbere ya kamiti no thuranire na iria ngomeirwo ni mung'ethaniro. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ritũroko na macharia wa Gacuru.